We have a veteran in Dallas trying to get the ring dinger. Where are you coming from?
Spokane, Washington. Yep, just having back pain. Had a lot of back pain for a while.
Make your belly into jelly.
Oh,
That was it. You feel like go all the way down?
I did. Yep, an explosion of relief.
There you go.
Yes.
Good. Have you ever felt anything like that?
No.
Still kicking.
Like most people say, it feels lighter. You know,
Feels
I feel more upright for sure. I feel more even. Oh man. I feel 20 years younger, that's for sure. It's been a really long time since I've felt this loose. Probably early in my military career.
How many years is that?
I've been in 20 years now.
20
so
years.
Damn near 20 years. Yeah.
Wow.
So
That's amazing, man.
yes, absolutely.
Well, thank you.